Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bloop by Furie token. So this is another Furie character Memecoin. This is on the Solana blockchain. Looks like Bloop is hanging out with the Boysclub, Pepe, Andy, Landwolf, and Brett. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on this new token. Just came out 14 hours ago. We're going to go over the info on it, how you can get it, all that type of stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is actually trending number 11 right now on Dex Screener. Pretty popular token today in the Solana section. Token just came out 14 hours, 4 minutes ago. Brand new token. It says Bloop by Furie. They have a quick audit here on Dex Screener. It says no issues. It only goes over 2 things though. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable, so that's good. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $202,000, 1,404 transactions. This token is up 701% in the past 24 hours, doing very well. Bloop is the ticker symbol, BLOOP, and Bloop by Furie is the full name of the token. So they have $381,000 market cap right now, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $71,000 in liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Just came out 14 hours ago, trending number 11, and price right now is 0.00045 USD. So if you're looking to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that stores Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol. Then you would go into the dApps, find Raydium or Jupiter, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Bloop on Solana.xyz, you would trade your Sol for this token using that contract address. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. I don't think there is, but we'll look for that in a second here. On their webpage, they most likely have tokenomics on there. Now, according to the contract address, it ends in pump, so most likely it was created on the pump.fun website. If you're not familiar with that, that's where a lot of these Solana meme tokens are made, and you can find this token listed on SolScan, Birdeye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. On their webpage, they do also have a link to Dex Screener where you can see the chart, and then also their Telegram and their Twitter. Now their Telegram is at Bloop on Solana, 123 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with the Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual at Bloop_Solana. It says Bloop Furple is an original character drawn by Furie. has the contract address right there, so you don't even really need to go to the webpage. You could just find it right there on the Twitter. But they do have the Twitter or the Telegram and the webpage and the contract address. You can see right on this Twitter right here. Only 12 tweets so far. They just joined in March 2024. Brand new project. 396 followers on the Twitter there. And of course, if you scroll through their memes, through their tweets, you're going to see lots of memes, of course. And so they're calling, the people who, the holders, the community is called bloopers. So it says, Bloop just crushed its all-time high. Now, we are now in a price discovery with a base community full of chads. Let's go, bloopers. The chads are accumulating. When you know, you know. So they have the Soul Scan on Dex Tools if you're looking for it. And on Dex Tools, they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. So we're going to have a look at that in a second. Right now, they have 622 holders. They have a total supply of 837.64 million tokens, and that is also their circulating supply. 220 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 82.7 pooled Bloop tokens. So they have a DEX score of 70 out of 99. They lost a lot of points for information because this is just a meme coin. There's not tons of info on this token on their webpage. So just be aware of that. And it says here that their quick audit by Quick Intel Security, there's no warnings on it. So it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But again, keep in mind, it's only a quick audit. It's not a full audit. And you should always do your own research and look for full audits and KYCs. So Bloop's an original character drawn by Matt Furie. Bloop was brought up on a ranch in Texas where his only friends were farm animals. When he grew up, he went to the same college as the Boysclub, but he was the lonely kid in class who didn't fit in. Bloop watched from the sidelines as Pepe and the boys through legendary parties. Watching from the sidelines made Bloop hit his villain arc. He started hitting the gym and locked in to make good financial decisions. During the Solana meme coin frenzy, Bloop struck gold with stacks of cash, a buff physique, and a newfound confidence. Bloop had turned into the Giga Chad, who was unstoppable. He finally fulfilled his dream by becoming the 5th member of the iconic Boysclub. Bloop is here to cause some bloopers on the Solana blockchain. So all sorts of links on their webpage, charts, socials, shows you how to buy in case you didn't understand how I explained it. It does say 0% buy and sell tax, so you will not have to set slippage if you're getting this token here. So it says it's a community takeover token. It says the dev abandoned the project. Now it's run by the community. And and then they have an embedded chart on their webpage. They seem to have quite a bit of info on their webpage, actually. But yeah, go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.